Deep in the heart of nature's sanctuary, three magnificent giants gather for their daily feast. These are Asian elephants, intelligent, social, and truly extraordinary creatures. Watch closely as they skillfully strip grass and coconut leaves with their trunks. An elephant's trunk is not just a nose, it's a powerful, flexible tool with over 40,000 muscles. It can lift a heavy log or gently pluck a single blade of grass. Each elephant can spend up to 16 hours a day eating, consuming hundreds of pounds of vegetation. Coconut leaves are one of their favorites. Packed with fiber and moisture, they're nature's perfect snack. Notice how they stand calmly side by side. Elephants are highly social animals, and mealtime is often a shared moment, strengthening family bonds. They communicate silently through low rumbles and gentle touches, a language we're only beginning to understand. Here's a fun elephant fact. Their incredible memory helps them remember food sources and water locations for decades. That's why they can travel miles with precision, even through changing landscapes. As a wildlife explorer, moments like these remind us how peaceful yet powerful these gentle giants truly are. Their behavior isn't just eating, it's part of a complex social structure and survival strategy shaped over thousands of years. If you love witnessing the wonders of wildlife like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every view helps bring more awareness to the beauty and protection of these majestic creatures.